Back in B&M, and I got myself another minifigure. I couldn't resist, especially since they're retired. So let's have a look at what one we've got in here. I'll just pour it out so we can see. Oh yes. Oops. This is the one I was after. The looks like the tourist one. Oh, brilliant! I'll build this and have a look at it. Here he is, the space tourist minifig. How cool is he? He's got his Hawaiian shirt on, got his hat on, he's got a little backpack, shorts, his camera. It's brilliant. Love it. It come with an extra camera lens, just in case you lose that one. There's another one. But yeah, this is really good. I really like it. I do actually still want, though, that one. So I've got that one now, and that one. Got those two. They were my random picks out of this box, because I was like, I didn't have the app. I've used up my my app numbers, and to be honest, this is one of the ones I wanted, so I'm really chuffed with that. The other one I want is the one that's like that one, the which I see as like a Sandra Bullock on that film, which I cannot remember the name of. Gravity. What? Oh, it was Gravity, wasn't it? I reckon. Kind of reminds me of that. Pretty cool, that is. Yeah. So I'm loving that. That's brilliant. That is a really good one. So when I start creating my city again, which I'm going to start soon because I've got a place bigger than I had before, where I can have a bit more of a longer road. So I might start it and see what I get to. I'll make some videos on what I do and then introduce some of these minifigs into the city. Oh, I really like this one. That would be cool on like a, that tour bus. That would be good on there, or outside some nice ornament, monument or something. I have to think about it when I've made the city. I can start introducing the little people, little minifigs, and create a scene. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. That is a really good minifigure. It's a funny one. I like that. I do like this one. He looks like he's in an adventure. I still like the little pink baby though. Oh, it's got a little bottle as well. That's cool. Yeah, there's some really good ones, isn't there? I do like Lego minifigures. They're so entertaining and funny. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this one. Hopefully, I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.